So that new product development is something like we have divided into some groups, like instead, like this is a process, like how it will be coming. So here that is idea is we need to take in one idea, and we need to convert it as means this is a reality, means one different ideas we will be taking out. And from that ideas, how many list of ideas that can be converted into reality, that we need to segregate it. And after that, it is a different specification, what is the requirement of, say requirement of the product, and how we have to go further, and what are the specifications are expected to the to reach, so that customer will buy that product, or customer, what is the requirement of the customer. This is the what specification says. And after that, product, this will be product process customer expectations. So what is the expectations from the customer? And after that, analyze that whether that it will work properly with the customer or not. So that this is what that analysis says. And product dimensions and tolerances, these are the important part in the product design. So what is the need for the new product design? So there is like there are so many every time there is a like every organization have a design development and introducing a new product as a survival and a growth strategy. Generally, the company, any company will be continuously developing a product, and continuously means discard the product and generate a new product. If you are keeping the product same constantly with same product, so the sale of the, you know that so many people, so many lecturers have given the Kotak as a example, like they are using the same product for the long time, and they lose the share, market share in the product. So every time what we have to do is, every time we have to develop a new product for the introduction, and a new product as a survival and a growth strategy. And another one is a product design is a concept of idea about a product, and they transform the idea into reality. So to transfer the idea into reality, a specification about the products is prepared. So, what are the requirements of the design the new products are like to be in the business for a long time, to satisfy the unfulfillment needs of the customers. What are the things? Say the now you are seeing that mobile phones you are seeing. Say very some time back there are telephones. After that it came into the transferred into the mobile phones. So mobile phones used to means like only call and lift the phone, or only telephone it is there. So that after that, what is the thing is what happened is customer to fulfill that customer needs, they added some camera features, some features, additional features. So after that it came internet as a option, and after that the camera, that means special means different features are adding. So in order to make the customer satisfied. And another one is too much of competition in the existing product line. So this makes the product to develop a new product. New product has to be developed, so that in order to overcome the competition. And another one is the profit margin is declining. Once you that product, once life of the product what you call profit margin is decreasing, then again you need to develop a new product. And the thing is, the company existing product line becoming saturated and sale is on decline. So continuously same product and same phone, no one will buy. So even you can take an example of mobile phone. Once you buy that phone type of phone, next time you will not opt to buy the same exactly same phone what you are opted previously. So that's what that's what that customer tendency, and customer to fulfill the satisfied the customer. So every time the customer will compare with that new product. Okay, how much feature it is compared to current product, so I need to go better. So that is the reason that a new product has been uh, coming. So, and here the what is the influence of the price, quality, and cycle time? So just now we are you're telling that VAV means value engineering means what influence that more in the which where we need to concentrate so that the product cost will be reduced, and I means here if you see the design contributes 70 to 80%, and manufacturing contributes 20 to 30%. So whenever you are designing a product, so that based upon the design, so that product quality, price, and cycle time will depends on influence the more on the design. So I am just taking one example as a product development. So if you see the one cycle as an example, bicycle as an example. So this is you can see a very important diagram. You can show the design and improvement aspects from the product manufacturing, like it's 20 to 30% of only design, maybe 70 to 80% influence. So if you see the if from the 1880 to 1970, how the design of the cycle is evaluated over the period of time, and current maybe they shown the figure that this is the what till 1970 only, but this is where I taken the source this in the through the internet. If you see the cycles coming into the 2016 and 17, maybe further changed from compared to 1970. So you can see the change in the design. 1969, the rear wheel is bigger and the front wheel is smaller, and in 1970 the front wheel is bigger than the rear wheel. So this is like the customer is requirement. Every time the customer is expecting some design change, and their requirement of comfort level requirements are increasing day by day, so that the design change optimization is happening every time. So this is a product life cycle. If you see the product life cycle, there are phases. It is in as product development phase, introduction phase, growth phase, maturity phase, decline phase. So, and I will brief about this phases in the next graph picture so that you can understand better. So that in the product life cycle piece, PLC, that PLC is determines the revenue planning and contributing to the strategical marketing plan, helps the firm to identify the what you call identify when the product need to be support redesign or withdrawal. Some cases where when to if profit it started declining, or if the product, if you receive that certain amount of profit from that product, so that after that immediately what they will do, they will either drop the product, or you have to go for the new product, new product, so that they will be in the what you call in the market. helps in the planning the new product development, helps in the forecasting and managing the cash flow. These are the influences of the product life cycle. So I'm showing the product life cycle how it works. So here the if you see the product development, so here it is like a red line shows the red line shows the say that sales, and blue line sale versus the investment and whatever the spending on the on the products. So if you see that one in the starting of the product development, we are starting investing on the product, but there is no profit, and nothing is there. So here after that, after introducing the it started and the marginal profit increasing. The sales is increasing, the profit is margin is slightly increasing, and once the product sales are reducing, so this period is called a growth and maturity phase. Growth, and once you reach to the maturity phase, you have to start developing a new product, so that once that product life cycle is getting down, you have to make raise to the another product. This is what the product life cycle says. So if you see example of the one of the product which is Mahindra. So if you see, this is what it was that 1993 to 2001, this vehicle is there, and after that Marmada, I will like that you will call, and this is present Bolero. It is converted. After that, once that life cycle is going to end, this product started, and currently this is in the presently this is in the market. So this is what that life cycle says. And various product policies, so say like lowest price, uh, highest quality, and comparison between the cost and cost. This is a like various product policies. Policies varies from the say product to product. Uh, there are low pricing products, means there is a huge production. More number of the production means that is a low price products, like